Could aliens detect Earth right now? Imagine this. Right now, at this exact moment, somewhere hundreds, thousands, or even millions of light years away, an alien civilization points a powerful telescope toward our solar system. What would they see? Would Earth look like just another small rocky planet? Or would they immediately know that someone is here? Because the truth is, humanity has been announcing its existence to the universe for more than a century, and we may have done it without even realizing it. For decades, scientists have searched the skies for signs of alien civilizations. They've listened for mysterious radio signals, scanned distant stars, and searched for evidence of advanced technology. But what if we've been asking the wrong question? Instead of asking whether we can detect aliens, maybe we should ask, could aliens already detect us? The answer might surprise you. Earth is not silent. In fact, Earth is incredibly loud. Every radio station, every television broadcast, every military radar installation, every satellite transmission, every communication signal sent into space creates a bubble expanding outward at the speed of light. Imagine dropping a stone into a pond. The ripples spread in every direction. Earth has been creating similar ripples for more than 100 years. Those signals are now over 100 light years away from our planet, which means any civilization within that distance could potentially know that Earth exists. But detecting Earth isn't as simple as picking up a radio station. Space is unimaginably vast. Signals become weaker as they travel. Most of our broadcasts fade into the cosmic background after relatively short distances. An alien civilization would need incredibly advanced technology to detect them. Yet there is one type of signal that stands out: planetary radar. Some of the most powerful signals ever produced by humanity were not intended for communication. They were designed to study asteroids and planets. Facilities like the Arecibo Observatory transmitted enormous bursts of radio energy into space. For brief moments, Earth became one of the brightest radio sources in the solar system. If an advanced civilization happened to be watching, those signals would be difficult to ignore. And that's where things become unsettling, because we don't actually know who's out there. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. Scientists now estimate that billions of potentially habitable planets may exist in our galaxy alone. If even a tiny fraction developed intelligent life, then somewhere out there, someone could be listening. But would they recognize Earth as inhabited? The answer is yes, even without our radio signals. Long before aliens detected our technology, they might detect our atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is unusual, very unusual. It contains large amounts of oxygen, methane, water vapor, and other gases that shouldn't naturally exist together in such quantities. To astronomers, these combinations are known as biosignatures, possible evidence of life. When scientists search for habitable worlds today, this is exactly what they look for, which means an advanced civilization using similar techniques could identify Earth as a living planet from dozens of light years away, maybe even hundreds. And once they know life exists, the next question becomes far more interesting. Can they tell that life became intelligent? Because that's where the real mystery begins. Scientists call these signs of advanced civilizations technosignatures. Unlike biosignatures, which indicate life, technosignatures suggest technology, and technology can leave traces across enormous distances. Imagine an alien civilization looking at Earth from 50 light years away. They might notice unusual radio emissions, artificial satellites surrounding our planet, powerful radar bursts, perhaps even city lights on the night side of Earth. To them, these wouldn't look natural. They would look engineered, evidence that intelligence exists here. And if a civilization is far more advanced than us, their ability to observe distant worlds could be almost unimaginable. Think about how much humanity's technology has advanced in just 100 years. Now imagine a civilization that's 1,000 years ahead, or 10,000, or 1,000,000. Their telescopes might be capable of detecting details we can barely comprehend. They might already know Earth's atmosphere, its oceans, its continents, its climate, perhaps even signs of human activity, which raises an uncomfortable possibility. What if they already know we're here? The famous physicist Stephen Hawking once warned against actively broadcasting our location into space. He compared the situation to the arrival of Europeans in the Americas. One civilization discovers another, and the outcome isn't always good. Most scientists don't believe alien civilizations would necessarily be hostile, but the truth is, we simply don't know, and uncertainty can be frightening. This idea inspired one of the most chilling concepts in science fiction and philosophy, the dark forest theory. According to this theory, every civilization in the universe is like a hunter hiding in a dark forest. Nobody knows who can be trusted. Nobody knows who might be dangerous. The safest strategy is silence, because revealing your location could attract unwanted attention. If that's true, then perhaps the universe isn't empty. Perhaps countless civilizations are out there, listening, watching, waiting, and avoiding detection. Of course, there is another possibility. Maybe advanced civilizations have already detected Earth and simply aren't interested. Think about it. When humans observe an anthill in a forest, we know it's there, but we rarely interact with it. Perhaps to a civilization thousands of years ahead of us, humanity is simply too primitive to matter. Or maybe they're following a rule, a cosmic version of do not interfere, watching from a distance while civilizations develop naturally. The truth is, we don't know, and that's what makes this question so fascinating. Could aliens detect Earth right now? Scientifically speaking, yes, at least in theory. Our atmosphere reveals life. Our technology reveals intelligence, and our signals continue spreading into deep space every second. The real question isn't whether Earth can be detected. The real question is whether anyone is actually looking somewhere in the Milky Way. A distant civilization may already have noticed a small blue planet orbiting an ordinary yellow star. They may know that life exists here. They may know that intelligence emerged. They may even know that this civilization has begun wondering whether it's alone. And right now, as you watch this video, someone, somewhere among the stars, could be asking the exact same question. Not, are we alone? But, have they noticed us yet?